Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with a Queenacraft project share. Down below you will find all the links to the products as well as my discount code, which is MO, and you will be able to go shopping. Let's jump right in. First off, I am going to start off with these imitation pearl half hearts there. Really cute. And this is one of the things that I use these pearls for right here. I just popped them right in the center of these cute little bows. And you can put them in the center of flowers or just put them on your card, whatever you'd like. But I thought that was the perfect little bow to use that with. All right. Jumping into my next card here, we will be using these butterfly branch dies. So we have this one as well as this one. This is another little butterfly, and this is the branch here. And let me show you the card I made with that. I know it's a little early for Mother's Day, but I thought I would go ahead and make a Mother's Day card for you. Oh, also, I'm using this die here. I didn't get it in this design team package, but I got it in a couple ones back, and I'm using this one here. If I can remember, I'll put that link down below for that one as well. But so I used 2 dies from there. There goes that butterfly there. I thought it looked really nice underneath the sentiment to enhance everything. And I forgot to pull out the paper that I'm using, but I thought that was so pretty. And this is just one sheet of paper back there, and it's made that way. But I thought it turned out really nice there. And there goes the inside of the card. And yeah, oh, and I did put those little flat back pearls on these butterflies as well. Like I said, you can put those on anything. All right. And then since I have this here, we're going to jump right into these natural flower dies here. Now I'm going to show you 3 different ways that I'm using the flowers, and I'm sure there's plenty more. So we will start off with this here. I just made them plain, so I got both of those. I layered them up twice and just made them plain. And I popped that little gem in the inside, flatback pearls there. If I can remember, I'll put that link down below. If I don't remember, just check out my previous videos, and you can find those links as well. And yeah, I thought that turned out really cute. I packaged them up, so these are ready to go to a crafty friend at any point in time. All right, and there goes that. I thought that turned out super cute. Added some little sequence down there, and I do have to give a shout out. I got this from Live Love Scrap, I want to say. This packaging idea, it was hers, and it was just perfect because I have plenty of these little plastic things. All right, and so moving on, the next way that I am using this die, I just cut out these here. And so these, I just added some stickles on top, as well as put a little pearl in the center. I'm also using this vine here, or branch rather, that came from the butterfly and branch die set. And pop some leaves behind there, added the sentiment on that card. And then this die here, which is called flower border dies, and that's how that looks. That's where I got that from. It's just so pretty and elegant. I love it. You can give this out as a Mother's Day card, or a spiritual card, or just something to give somebody a little bit of encouragement. And then I did do the inside of the card there. All right, so that's that one. And now moving on to the next way I did the natural flower dies is this one right here. I just put it together completely. I used both of those and added the pearls in the center, added some flowers behind, and then I also used this album frame die, which that is right here. Let me show you that die. There it goes right there. And you can actually make this into an album. It's definitely big enough. But I just made it into a card there, and I made it into a Mother's Day card. It's coming. And then I also put that album frame die in the center I mean, the inside of the card there. But I love how that looks. I did add some paint splatter on the background and inked up the edges of that card. And then I did do one more card using this album frame die. And of course, Valentine's Day is just right around the corner. So I wanted to give you some Valentine's Day inspiration. And this is, it can be for a male card, more masculine, I think, with all of the inking around the outside. I really like that. And then I typed up this sentiment, "You captured my heart," with that little pearl in the inside. I just popped a flat back pearl right in the center of that love. And then there goes that album frame die there. I inked that up very, very good there. And I thought that was just the most prettiest card. I'm going to give this one to my husband for Valentine's Day. And then there goes the inside of that. So I hope that gives you a lot of inspiration to head over to Queenacraft and pick up your dies so that you can make some of these pretty cards and pretty embellishments for your crafty friends, your loved ones, your mom, or whoever you like to make something for. Whoops, I forgot one more thing. There we go. And that is all I have for you. I hope you like all of these that I've created for your inspiration. Make sure you pick up my discount code and go shopping. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.